SAP SSAM Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master SAP SSAM SAP Service and Asset Manager and gain expertise in mobile asset management, maintenance operations, work orders, inspections, notifications, field service processes, offline functionality, and enterprise asset management. Our comprehensive SAP SSAM training program is designed to help professionals manage field maintenance activities, access asset information, execute work orders, perform inspections, and support mobile workforce operations using SAP Service and Asset Manager. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world asset maintenance and field service scenarios. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The Master Mobile Asset Management SAP SSAM training provides a comprehensive understanding of SAP Service and Asset Manager, which enables organizations to optimize their operations and improve efficiency. The training covers various aspects of asset management, including data collection, reporting, and analytics. Participants will learn how to design and implement effective asset management strategies, as well as how to use SAP tools to streamline processes and reduce costs. By the end of the training, participants will be able to analyze data and make informed decisions about asset management. They will also gain hands-on experience with SAP tools and software. Mobile-first asset management is a key strategy for organizations looking to improve their operational efficiency. By adopting this approach, companies can minimize equipment downtime and accelerate response times. Mobile-enabled workflows enable organizations to streamline field operations and eliminate data silos. Real-time decision-making becomes possible when leveraging the full SAP ecosystem, allowing for instant insights and informed decisions directly from the field. Furthermore, mobile-first asset management allows organizations to move beyond manual tracking and focus on delivering better customer service. The company has been working with SAP for over a decade, utilizing its software to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. The company's experience with SAP has allowed it to develop a deep understanding of the system's capabilities and limitations. This knowledge enables the company to provide expert guidance to clients who are looking to implement SAP Service and Asset Manager. The company's team of experienced professionals is well-versed in the implementation process and can help clients navigate any challenges that may arise during the implementation. Otherwise, with their extensive experience, they can ensure that the implementation is successful and meets the client's specific needs. The SAP Service and Asset Manager (SSAM) is a comprehensive solution that integrates various SAP services, including SAP Gateway, SAP Mobile, and SAP BTP. The module focuses on the end-to-end architecture of SSAM, which integrates with other SAP services. The integration enables real-time data exchange and synchronization between different systems. The module explores how these services interact seamlessly, allowing for real-time data exchange and synchronization between different systems. The module provides a detailed overview of how SAP SSAM interacts with other SAP services, such as SAP Gateway and SAP Mobile, and how it leverages SAP Cloud Connector and mobile services to provide a unified view of assets and services across the organization. The SAP Service and Asset Manager (SSAM) is an integrated solution that combines multiple SAP services. The module covers the end-to-end architecture of SSAM, integrating it with other SAP services. The integration allows for real-time data exchange and synchronization between different systems. The module explains how these services interact seamlessly, providing real-time data exchange and synchronization between different systems. The module offers a detailed explanation of how SAP SSAM interacts with other SAP services, such as SAP Gateway and SAP Mobile, and how it utilizes SAP Cloud Connector and mobile services to offer a unified view of assets and services across the organization. SAP Service and Asset Manager (SSAM) is a comprehensive solution that integrates various SAP services, including SAP Gateway, SAP Mobile, and SAP BTP. The module examines the end-to-end architecture of SSAM, integrating it with other SAP services. The integration facilitates real-time data exchange and synchronization between different systems. The module investigates how these services interact seamlessly, allowing for real-time data exchange and synchronization between different systems. The module provides a clear understanding of how SAP SSAM interacts with other SAP services, such as SAP Gateway and SAP Mobile, and how it leverages SAP Cloud Connector and mobile services to provide a unified view of assets and services across the organization. User personas are essential for designing intuitive interfaces that cater to specific organizational needs and job functions. Understanding out-of-the-box user roles helps us tailor our interfaces to drive user adoption in the field. Reducing friction in day-to-day tasks such as receiving work orders, logging time, and capturing asset data is crucial. Effective user experience requires applying SAP Fiori UX guidelines to create seamless interactions. The company has implemented an asset management system that allows its field technicians to access and update information on the go. This system provides them with real-time data, enabling them to make informed decisions about maintenance and repairs. The system also includes features such as service confirmations, checklists, and measurements, which help to ensure that all necessary steps are taken during each service call. The system's ability to synchronize with other systems, including SAP PM, ensures that all relevant information is up to date and easily accessible. This integration enables field technicians to focus on providing excellent customer service, rather than spending time searching for information. By streamlining processes and improving communication, the system helps to increase productivity and reduce errors. The system's user-friendly interface makes it easy for technicians to navigate and use, even those who may not be familiar with technology. And the system's flexibility also allows for customization to meet the specific needs of different companies and industries. This flexibility enables companies to adapt to changing business conditions and stay competitive in the market. The technical modules cover various aspects of SAP SSAM, including configuration, offline mobility, user interface, user experience, UI/UX, customization, extensibility, and system administration. Off, on, writing, C. The modules provide a comprehensive overview of each area, enabling learners to gain practical knowledge and skills. Participants can apply this knowledge to real-world enterprise scenarios, developing expertise in these critical areas. Mastering these technical configurations enables individuals to optimize their SAP SSAM implementation, ensuring smooth integration with existing systems and processes. The SAP SSAM, System-Specific Application Management Configuration, and Master Data Management are essential skills for any IT professional working with SAP systems. Mastering these skills enables IT professionals to effectively manage their mobile assets and improve overall system performance. The SAP SSAM configuration involves setting up the necessary back-end components, such as RFC connections, logical systems, and mobile settings. This includes enabling and activating the SSAM mobile application features for specific user roles and devices. Additionally, establishing master data standards ensures that mobile synchronization is consistent and accurate across the enterprise. By mastering these configurations, IT professionals can optimize their mobile asset management processes and improve overall system efficiency. Offline data handling is crucial for industries that require constant connectivity to function effectively. Industries like manufacturing and logistics need reliable systems to manage orders and processes efficiently. Offline data handling enables full work order execution even when there is no internet connection available. This feature is particularly useful for companies operating in areas with limited or no internet access. Participants who learn how to configure OData custom headers and implement best practices for order execution without network connectivity will be able to improve the reliability and consistency of their app performance. Understanding how to handle data exchange in low bandwidth or completely disconnected environments is also essential for ensuring seamless operations in these settings. The ability to perform tasks offline is a vital differentiator of SAP SSAM, making it a critical topic for exam preparation. UI customization is essential for creating a cohesive brand image across all digital platforms. By modifying the existing SSAM interface to align with your organization's visual identity, you can ensure consistency in logos, colors, themes, and typography throughout the client application. This includes applying relevant data to each user persona, making it easier for them to navigate and interact with the system. Furthermore, simplifying complexity through advanced UI design patterns can significantly reduce cognitive load and streamline multi-step field tasks, ultimately leading to a more efficient and effective user experience. The focus of this module is on providing learners with the knowledge and skills needed to extend the functionality of the SAP SSAM system. Learners will explore various methods for enhancing the user experience, such as adding custom fields and configurations, as well as creating more complex custom flows using the mobile development kit. They will also learn how to optimize performance, debug issues, and tune their system for scalability. By mastering these advanced features, learners can unlock the full potential of their SSAM system and improve overall efficiency. The company's primary goal is to provide a comprehensive platform that enables users to manage their projects effectively. To achieve this, they have developed a range of tools and resources that cater to different needs and preferences. These tools include project management software, collaboration platforms, and data analytics solutions. The company also provides training and support services to help users get the most out of their chosen tools. Individualized learning pathways are designed to cater to the specific needs of each learner, enabling them to concentrate on areas requiring improvement. This approach allows learners to make steady progress, mastering key concepts and skills as they go. With individualized learning pathways, learners gain a deeper understanding of the subject matter and can apply it to real-world situations, resulting in improved performance and increased confidence. By offering customized modules and continuous support, we enable learners to reach their full potential and contribute to business success. Our hands-on training approach provides you with real-world experience in implementing SAP solutions. With our live end-to-end simulation, you'll learn how to configure systems, deploy mobile applications, and troubleshoot common issues. Our expert trainers will guide you through each step, providing personalized feedback and support. You'll gain hands-on experience in a simulated environment, mirroring real-world scenarios, and develop essential skills for resolving sync failures, configuration errors, and mobile performance issues. By the end of this module, you'll have mastered the art of troubleshooting and root cause analysis, and be equipped to provide top-notch post-go-live support to your users. Our comprehensive training program ensures that you're fully prepared for your SAP certification exams. Individual training offers personalized attention tailored to each learner's needs. This approach ensures that learners receive focused instruction and support, allowing them to progress at their own pace. With customized modules aligned to individual learning objectives, learners can accelerate their knowledge acquisition and achieve specific goals. Post-training access to mentors provides ongoing guidance and support, helping learners maintain momentum and stay on track. Flexible scheduling accommodates different organizational requirements, while certification preparation ensures that learners are well prepared for assessments and evaluations. By focusing on enterprise security and providing dedicated interview coaching, learners gain valuable insights into effective change management and career advancement strategies. A driven curriculum for team upskilling fosters continuous learning and skill development, ultimately leading to enhanced professional success. Our advantage lies in providing you with always-on access to the latest SAP systems, allowing you to practice and learn at your own pace. With hands-on lab exercises, you will gain real-world experience mirroring live enterprise scenarios. The satisfaction guarantee ensures that we are committed to your professional growth and certification success. We deliver high-quality training experiences, focusing on your learning objectives. The company has been providing SAP SSAM training programs since 2004, offering a wide range of courses that cater to different levels of expertise. The training programs are designed to equip participants with the necessary skills to perform tasks efficiently and effectively. The courses cover various aspects of SAP, including system administration, security, and data management. Participants can choose from a variety of course formats, such as classroom instruction, online learning, and self-paced tutorials. The training programs are delivered by experienced instructors who have extensive knowledge of SAP systems. The courses are tailored to meet the specific needs of each participant, ensuring that they receive the most effective training possible. The training programs are also designed to be flexible, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and on their own schedule. This flexibility makes it easier for participants to integrate the new skills into their daily work